there are some critics as well who are pushing the idea that this widespread estate planning concept is mainly benefiting the service providers rather than the ordinary families. How do you respond to this?
Okay. So I would respond two ways. Number one, and why I'm saying this, because you remember when this health insurance came to our country. Now everybody said this is something for the insurance companies are trying to mint their money and all those things. But ask those persons who really fell ill with critical illness or might not be, and they had the cashless thing happening at the hospitals. It came for a boon for them. And as I'll put, for me, planning is like a service. It's like a healthcare service, as we can take it up. Of course, providers would be benefits, so do families. And okay, let me give you a thing. Okay, don't plan. And I'm answering the critics' way itself. So critics say this is something for somebody else who will be getting it benefited out of it. You don't do it. And then, as I stated in my second of the anecdotes, then you spend lakhs in the court services. So what is better? To spend fewer now or to spend a large chunk, as you rightly said, Vaishnavi ma'am, a large chunk at a later stage and forget about paying or something. Today, as I said, and I can compare it with the health insurance, I do not know what the idea is all about. When I was turning 27, and as per the policy then I was used to be the part of the one medical insurance of where my father took and I can be the part. But again, as the age of 25 comes, I'm out of it. I have to buy my own. I have been taken. Somebody can say you are spending waste of money, you are not getting it. But the day I'll get ill, believe me, for this would be something as I said, a service that I borrowed from my, and I'll be happily doing it. I order food, for example, raw foods for the various apps that I take. And they charge me handling charges. And I happily pay it because I need not to go to the market and the food is coming right with the bill at my place. So this amount of registration for me is just a handling charge. That certainly, and believe me when I say this so convincingly, would definitely help your loved ones. Because in your entire lifetime, you are bound to give them happiness. You are collecting all those things to give happiness to yourself and to your loved ones. So why not continue that particular giving even after you're not there?